The following are 9 household toxins hiding in your home. We're going to go through the list, and number 9 is probably the most lethal that we need to be aware of. Okay, number 1 on my list is aluminum foil. Now, are you still using this to wrap up your food? It's something that, again, is a metal which is easily absorbed through our skin, and when we ingest it, when it's touching our food, this is concerning, especially for our brain health. Number 2 on the list is laundry soap and softeners. These also have fragrance and other toxic chemicals which are linked to internal toxicity. It can cause headaches, it can cause skin rashes, something else to be aware of. And swapping these out for more natural alternatives like my own laundry soap non-toxic version, which is amazing as something that you can use for your laundry every day. Number 3 is candles and air fresheners. So unfortunately, candles are very toxic, especially if they have synthetic fragrance, and the air fresheners as well. And this is something that can disrupt your hormones and really cause more internal toxicity in your body. So something to be avoiding. Number 4 on the list is cleaning products. So being aware of, what you are using in your home. And if there are toxic ingredients in your cleaning products, it's something that I want you to definitely do your best to phase out of your home so that you're not adding more toxins to your body. Okay, number 5 on the list is dishwasher soap. So you have to be really aware, and recent research on dishwasher soap unfortunately has found that it can lead to leaky gut syndrome. So punching small holes in the gut walls and leading to leaky gut, which then can turn into autoimmune disorders because now your immune system is reacting to things that are getting through that gut wall that really shouldn't. And number 6 on the list is carpet. So whether you have area rugs or wall-to-wall carpeting in your home, unfortunately in the manufacturing of carpets, they use flame retardants, which are usually heavy metals, again, very toxic to yourself and for your pets as well. So getting the carpets out of the home, probably a good idea. Okay, number 7 on the list is furniture. So much like the carpets, they also, especially with cloth furniture, they use flame retardants, which are heavy metals, very toxic to your system. Just sitting on with bare skin on your furniture can be adding to your toxic load. Okay, number 8. Mattresses. So again, the flame retardants and other chemicals that they use depending on the material that your mattress is made of. Again, another source of toxins in your home. And number 9 on my list is mold. So this is something that definitely you want to get professionals in to check and make sure, especially if you've had any leaks in your home, to make sure that there is no mold, because this is very toxic, not only to your lungs, to your skin, but can have implications for your microbiome and your digestion as well. Now, if you do discover that you do have a mold problem, make sure that you're getting the professionals to remove it in a safe and effective way. Now, for more information on how to tell that you may be toxic and have symptoms of toxicity, please check out my video, 7 Symptoms of Toxicity. I'll see you there.